Welcome to Bees on Main here in beautiful downtown Stoughton, Wisconsin. I'm Rich Morris, lead drone at BroodMinder, and I want to show you changes we've done for the W3 this year. We now have two kits that you can buy. One for like similar to what we had last year, and another one which is specifically designed. We were getting a lot of requests for Apimaye hives and for the ultimate bottom boards and those sorts of things. So first, the changes we've made to the standard kit. We've gone to an H design because it self-levels. So this is a pivot on the front now, and that works really well. We added the electronics to the outside to make it easier to get to for changing batteries and those sorts of things. On the bottom, we have some new, better grommets that seal look a little nicer, basically. And we've gotten rid of the channel that we had and gone with cutting a groove and putting a spline in there. That works really well for hiding and protecting the wires. And then the final thing we've done is to change the load cell holders some to make them work better with the 2x4 and not spanning across the joint. So those are the changes we've made to this one. Now let me show you the other one. We had a lot of requests for the Apimaye hive or for hives, similar to the ultimate bottom board or those sorts of things. So Peter and Theo this spring redesigned the mount for the load cells. So this is the load cell, and now we have basically three parts that we provide, and the load cell goes in like this, and the foot goes in. And then the cool part is this swivels and adjusts to the contour of the ground. And the other nice thing is then it's got this little post that goes up inside the mounting here. So I'll flip this over and show you how that works. So on the bottom, you can see it goes in right like that. And you put a screw in, and then you're done with that. We have some mounts to go around the hive and bring the wires across. A little aluminum bar that protects the wires as they come across here, and then mount the electronics on the outside. And it takes about 5 minutes, very quick and easy. So that's available, and like I said, it'll work with all these, or you can drill a 3/4 inch hole into about anything, and they go in there just fine too. So that's what we have going on. Take care, and remember, every hive counts.